E finalmente a Microsoft concretizou a compra da Activision Blizzard. E eles fizeram isso divulgando um vídeo bem legal que eu vou colocar na íntegra aqui pra vocês verem, pra vocês terem um gostinho do que tá por vir por aí, principalmente pra quem tem o Game Pass.
So, this is home now.
Home. Family.
That's cute.
We need an army.
I can get us an army.
It's about time.
We're a team. All of us. No one fights alone.
I'll follow you from here on out.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.